Thank you, sir, for giving this opportunity, sir. Sir, we have seen at the beginning in the first wave. During that time, we were not prepared. No sufficient infrastructure, including RT-PCR kits and etc., were not available at that time. It takes time to control the first wave, despite of complete lockdown. The government hospitals have no infrastructure. Private hospitals were not completely barred for treating this COVID treatment. Due to sudden fallback on the government hospitals, despite of lack of infrastructure, a lot of inconvenience has been faced by the public. It caused a lot of casualties. However, we got over that stage. Now we have seen the second stage. During the course of second stage, also the government has not prepared, respect to state and central governments also. Due to lack of supply of oxygen and providing oxygen units, etc., was not taken care of. It is completely a human failure. About, as far as I come from state of Andhra Pradesh, for example, in Ruya Hospital, Tirupati is a government hospital, more than 31 deaths have taken place in a single day due to lack of oxygen. But it is underreported government, it is only 11 deaths. And subsequently, 23 postmortems were done by the government due to COVID treatment. It is underreported. It is totally miserable failure of the local state government. That was also has to be monitored by the central government. On the contrary, the government suppressed the deaths as if that there was no negligence on their part. There were several incidents in the state of AP due to the negligent attitude of the government in not taking care. The Honorable Chief Minister has described it is nothing but you can take paracetamol and etc. Simply they ignored it. No compensation has been paid to the deceased family till now. None are attended. There were several similar unreported incidents in the state of AP. The centre also has to monitor it. The other states, respective state governments allocated funds under financial package, like Maharashtra, 54,776, and Tamil Nadu, 4,153, Kerala, 22,000, Odisha, 2,200, Karnataka, 1,250 crores. But there was no such package in the state of Andhra Pradesh. The central government has to monitor and guide and instruct the state government to create a separate financial package for the COVID patients and the deceased families. Now the third wave might have set in India. To provide all infrastructures, we have to create at least to avoid casualties like second wave. There is coronavirus tests have to be increased. Corona vaccine has to be increased. According to the corona test in July 2021, 44 crores have been undertaken. Wherever there is a crossover from increasing the trend of a decreasing trend in daily deaths and vice versa, the daily death load, DDL, is fluctuates widely. The total climbed at 4,08,764 with 724 fatalities. The minister stressed more than 70% of deaths were due to carbon-trees. The bottom line was having suffered devastating second wave, the people administered need to be extremely cautious and that any suspicion of the onset of new wave should be treated with utmost care. There must be a perfect COVID action plan for new strain. It has to be taken into. We do not know if the immunity will wave and one to know until unless breakthrough infections in coming months and years. Now we do know if variants will evade vaccine-induced immunity, time will tell. We do know vaccination works great for current strains now. Now there are several instances in the wastage of vaccine by the respective state governments. It is also reported in, answered to my question, increase of vaccine wastages in the state of Andhra Pradesh is also there. The vaccination plus 18 years are facing a lot of hardships in the on all the states, including the state of Andhra Pradesh. Now the government has to undertake the vaccination for less than 18 people also has to be taken into. They have to create pediatric units in all districts, and arrange medical oxygen storage tanks with all hospitals, and medical gas pipeline system also developed. Test, isolate, treat, and following appropriate.
Thank you, Ravindra.
Things. Yes. Finally, I submit. Compensation has to be awarded all deceased families by the central government.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Next speaker is Srimati Vandana Chavan.
From a news portal, BBC News, which my mic is